Hello everybody. I am Biro, little Hungarian boy. I wanna do it little work for England. I'm do it for gardening, babysitter, save your animal, a little building your house the inside, which you like, wash it your car, no problem. You don't have time for go to children take the school, no problem. His colleague will help you. Very easy, very simple. Anything you want, just call this number and you happy. You happy, you happy. All life is give you.
You know? Like that.
I live in my friend's house. I save the cat because him is all the time the work. Look the nice cat. He's very friendly. He's wanna eat. Just come. Look, cat. Come on. Come on. Cat is coming. You see? Have a food. Look, I give you always the cat the food. Cat is eating. If you have a problem, the house the inside and make it the cat the scrapping, no problem. Make it like this, easy. Take out the garden. You never want to clean the house. But maybe you know it like this. It's my company. It cleans your house. Everything, which way you like. Anything is do it. You need some information. It's a problem for window. Dirty or something or broken, no problem. Just call my company. Straight away help you like this.